Greetings to all. Today let's embark on a journey in understanding the essence of family as reflected in the teachings of various spiritual and religious traditions. Family, as we know, is the bedrock of a society, and its importance is universally acknowledged. In Hinduism, the ancient scriptures emphasize the importance of the family unit. The Manusmriti says, one's mother, father, and teacher are to be revered as gods. This highlights the respect and reverence one should have for their family and elders. Buddhism teaches the value of loving kindness and compassion. The Sigalovada Sutta advises, in 5 ways should a family be ministered to by a son or daughter. I will support them. I will perform their duties. I will keep up the family tradition. I will be worthy of heritage, and I will make offerings on behalf of the departed. The Christian Bible in the book of Ephesians states, honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise. This underscores the significance of familial bonds and the duties children owe to their parents. In Islam, the Holy Quran emphasizes, and your Lord has decreed that you not only worship except Him, and to parents good treatment. This highlights the importance of treating parents with kindness and respect. The Jewish tradition in the 10 Commandments advises, honor your father and your mother. This commandment emphasizes the central role of family in Jewish life and the respect owed to parents. The Sikh Guru Granth Sahib Ji teaches, in the lap of the mother and father, love is bestowed. This emphasizes the nurturing role of parents and the love and care they provide. The Baha'i writing states, if love and agreement are manifest in a single family, that family will advance, become illumined and spiritual. This highlights the transformative power of love and unity within a family. In the Mormon tradition, the family, a proclamation to the world, states, the family is ordained of God. Marriage between men and women is essential to His eternal plan. This emphasizes the divine nature of the family unit. Scientology teaches the importance of communication and understanding within the family. L. Ron Hubbard wrote, a family is simply a group for the purpose of rearing children and mutual economic advantages among ourselves. This highlights the multifaceted roles and purposes of the family unit. As we reflect on these teachings, it's evident that the family is the cornerstone of a society. Cherished and upheld by diverse traditions, it serves as a source of love, support, and guidance. Let us all strive to nurture and strengthen our family bonds, fostering a world of love, unity, and harmony. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Let us continue to seek knowledge, understanding, and cherish the invaluable gift of family. My name is Ismael. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.